this is Shami with Rexim. In this video, I will show you how you can upgrade to CurtLift Pro easily.
Once you upgrade, you will get features such as create unlimited email campaigns, set conditional coupon, detailed reporting, and many more. So let's get started. So first, go to Dashboard and click onto CurtLift. On top, click onto Free versus Pro tab. So on the top right side, you will see an option Upgrade to Pro button. Click on it. It will take you to our official website plugin page. Once you're on our website, click onto Buy Now button and it will take you to the pricing plan section. So from this, choose your desired plan and then click onto Buy Now button. It will basically take you to the checkout page. So if you scroll lower, you will get the form to open an account for our website. So next, fill out the information for payment. Then make sure to read the terms of service below. And once you are done, confirm that you read it by check marking here and click on the Upgrade Now button below. You will notify that the purchase is successful. You will also get an email from us which will include your purchase details, license key, and a downloadable CurtLift Pro zip file. Other than via email to collect the license key, go to the rextheme.com site and on the right side of the menu, click on Account. So if you are not logged on, you will need to log in with the ID and password that you used at the time of purchase. Else, you will be taken to the account page. So here, how your account page will look like. So on the left, click onto License Key and there you will be able to collect the license key for CurtLift Pro. And on the Downloads tab, you will be able to download the latest version of CurtLift Pro. That's it for the video. In the next video, I will show you how you can activate the license for CurtLift Pro. So until then, take care.